Manoj here, a career coach who has helped 200 plus people, content creator and a product manager with 5 plus years experience. When I started my career, I became a product manager without any MBA and I was from a tier 3 college and without any experience in product management. When I was learning product management, free resources were good, but I wanted something structured. When I started looking for structured courses, and the cost of PM courses are in lakhs now, right? But Udemy courses are good, cheaper and high quality content taught by experts. But the problem is there are hundreds of courses and which one will suit the best? That was a problem. So I did the research for you and found out the top product management courses on Udemy which are more related to India, right? Which will help you to learn product management and crack PM roles in India. Before we go into the video, two things. One, if you want to connect with me one-on-one for career guidance and mentorship, you can connect with me. Second, I also run a WhatsApp community on product management where I share resources, job links and about my content. If you want to know about it first, both the links are in description and the first comment. So let's get into the video. So the first course in the list is Product Management, Get Your First PM Job. This is taught by Chirag Gupta, who has been a product manager and he's from India. And in this course, he has talked with a lot of hiring managers and also some hiring managers speak in this course. So if you want, you can join this course. And this course is very structured. It starts with introduction, product manager and similar roles, market research, user research, how to create prototypes. So it's very structured. It starts from basic and introduction topic to jumps to advanced topic like product roadmap, prioritization framework. And he also teaches about tools like Jira, product analytics tools, wireframing tools. And also things about product marketing, product-led growth and tech for non-tech PMs is also covered. This course has content as well as quizzes. So as soon as you complete a course, you have a quiz and you also as well as some mini projects or assignments which you can take in to apply your learnings. The second course in the list is Product Management A to Z, Hands-on Real-World Simulation by Raj Ekar, who is a founder as well as a product manager and is one of the highest rated Udemy instructors in this space. The good thing about the course is it is structured in the form of the product life cycle, the way a product is developed. It starts with strategy, discovery, design, development, measurement, career and technology, right? So the execution comes at last. Before execution, you do research, you do discovery, you design, right? So that's why it's structured like that. The good thing about the course is very animated. So it teaches things in a very animated manner and you have exercises which you can apply. So there are 30 plus exercises in this course which you can apply. The next in the list is MBA in Product Management, Become a Product Manager by Navdeep Yadav. So this course is really good. It has 13 plus hours of content. And if you're someone who wants to become a product manager in a consumer face firm, that is like a B2C firm like Swiggy, Uber, etc., he teaches this complete course with a project which focuses on last mile delivery apps like Swiggy, Uber, Zepto, those kind of apps. So it's very good if you're trying to get into a B2C product manager role. And this course is also structured. The good thing about the course is he also teaches Excel for product manager, which is good because in most companies, right, when you're taking decision, Excel is one of the key tools you use for data analysis and taking data driven decisions. The next course in the list is Great Product Manager, Product Management by a Big Tech PM. So this is a course for people who wants to crack PM roles at top companies like FAN, Flipkart, Amazon, etc., like Facebook, those kind of big companies. So if you're trying to crack PM roles at very established companies, this is a course for you because he is a senior PM at Microsoft. So he teaches things in a more structured manner in how product management would work in like an enterprise org and bigger orgs, right? So he teaches advanced concepts like A/B testing, how to improve leadership, how to use data, how to fast track the product development process, how to improve the product, those kind of skills. So that's the thing. And the next in the list is Foundation of Product Management, Build Products for India. So this by Appraise. Appraise is one of the famous edtech company in the product management space. And this course is taught by Appraise founder. She has worked with bigger companies before this. So she teaches about fundamentals of product management, discovering impactful problems to solve. The good thing about the course is it gives you an in-depth understanding of what a product manager does, not does. By doing this course, you'll be able to take a decision if product management is suitable for you or not. It's a quick 5-hour course which will give you clarity and get in-depth understanding about the product manager role, roles and responsibilities. The next in the list is Agile Scrum Mastery, Certification plus Project Simulation. So you would think, hey Manoj, we are learning product management and where this project management came in. So project management is also one of the skills that a product manager requires. So irrespective of any of the course you do, you should learn project management because it's important. You work in an agile environment with developers and designers when you are launching a product or when you are building a product, right? So this course talks about Scrum, which is a framework, product backlog, sprint planning, running a sprint, executing a sprint. The last in the list is the product management masterclass, Become a Product Manager. This course is taught by Shreya Jain, who is a product manager at PhonePe. Before that, she has worked with other good Indian companies. So here she talks about getting started as a product manager, where you gain clarity about the role. You learn about market research and analysis, product strategy and roadmap, like how the product roadmap look, documentation and metrics, stakeholder management, which is very important skill, how you can work with leaders and team, multiple different teams. Go to market strategy. Once you have built the product, how you can launch it successfully, right? And types of product managers like platform PM, machine learning PM, AI PM, etc. So these are the courses. All the links are attached in the description. And don't forget to join the WhatsApp community to get updates on product management content. All the best for your PM journey. Thank you and have a nice day.